Hey there friends, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to adjust your clip colors and make color corrections to your videos using Clipchamp. So I've already got a clip loaded into my timeline right here, and to start I just want to make sure that my clip is selected. So I'm going to go ahead and left click it, and you can tell it's selected by the border that appears around the clip. And here, you're going to see a few options on the right-hand side of your screen. And we're interested in the Adjust Colors tab. So let's go ahead and click that. And now we have a few options for what we can change. So in this case, I'm going to increase the temperature ever so slightly to make it a bit warmer. Decrease the saturation a little. Up the contrast a little, and maybe lower the exposure. There we go. So that looks pretty good to me. I'm very pleased with these changes. And additionally, you can also edit multiple clips at the same time to achieve a consistent look. So let's say I have these other two videos in my timeline, right? Simply selecting everything by dragging out a selection box. And now any of the changes we make here in the colors panel will also be applied to the rest of the video that I have selected. I'm just going to repeat that, bring this down, increase that, and there we go. So now if we go over and look through the other videos, they should have a very similar color profile to what we have. And that's because we made sure everything was selected before we made any adjustments, as you can see. So that's going to be it for this video. I hope I was able to teach you something new and something useful. And as always, thank you for watching.